DJI, a leader in innovative camera technology, is about to make a major splash in the action camera industry with its upcoming release, the DJI Action 5 Pro. This new addition to the Osmo Action series promises to be a game changer, pushing the boundaries of what action cameras can do. With the Action 5 Pro, DJI aims to address these shortcomings and set a new standard in action camera technology. Let's dive deep into what we can expect from this highly anticipated release. One of the most exciting upgrades in the DJI Action 5 Pro is the anticipated improvement in its sensor technology. Rumors suggest that the Action 5 Pro will feature a larger 1-inch sensor, similar to the one used in the Osmo Pocket 3. This upgrade is expected to significantly enhance video quality, enabling the camera to shoot in 5K resolution at up to 60 frames per second. A larger sensor will also improve performance in low-light conditions, a critical area where action cameras have traditionally struggled. The design of the DJI Action 5 Pro is likely to retain the robust, square-shaped body and dual touchscreens that have become signature features of its predecessors. This design has been well received for its durability and user-friendly interface. However, DJI may introduce subtle design tweaks to enhance functionality and user experience. One of the potential standout features could be the integration of seamless wireless microphone connectivity. Previous models have had limitations with built-in microphones, often necessitating the use of external high-quality microphones to achieve the best audio. The Action 5 Pro is expected to offer advanced connectivity options, setting it apart from previous models and its competitors. This could include improved wireless capabilities and seamless integration with other devices and accessories. Enhanced connectivity will make it easier for users to share and manage their footage, further enhancing the overall user experience. DJI's strategic timing for previous releases suggests that the Action 5 Pro might be unveiled in the second week of August, potentially following the same pattern as the Osmo Action 4's launch last year. Pricing details have not yet been confirmed, but it's expected that the Action 5 Pro will be positioned as a premium offering, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. The DJI Action 5 Pro is generating significant excitement in the action camera community, and for good reason. With anticipated upgrades in sensor technology, design connectivity, and overall performance, the Action 5 Pro has the potential to redefine the action camera market. As we await the official release, we encourage you to share your thoughts on the DJI Action 5 Pro in the comments below. For more updates and detailed analysis on the latest tech innovations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.